Good afternoon, everyone. This video is going to be for tomorrow's RTH plan. That'd be October 4th. Right now it's October 3rd, and this is the Globex session that I've decided to include as well. But this plan will be for the RTH. Now, what did we have today? We opened up a little bit above last week's value area low, sitting at 29.5. We found a bid at 17 and ramped up above the weekly POC in the 50s and got up to last week's value area high at 3,700. Interestingly, we did sell off that high volume node at 09.5. That's where I took it short. And now I'm interested to see if we can get back inside September's value area, that being 1475, kind of the top of this zone. Now, right now we're selling off, but that's okay. That's kind of what I would expect for Globex. It's a little bit hard for it to break range, especially after such a ramp up. But what I'm looking for is, can we break out and can I join in by longing 09 half? Can we get up above the breakout bid, which was at 23 half? And can we get to this 44 quarter area, that being the 2020 yearly close, as well as what was a nice level on that day, on whatever it was, I think Wednesday or Thursday. If we can, what I would expect is for us to finally close this gap at 60, what would it be? 63 half, and get back inside the value area from this week as well at 77.50, and the weekly half back at 92.75. I would look to take the top of this balance area, the RTH looking a little bit cleaner. Let's just show you guys that. I'd look to take the long of this top of the balance area around 0.3 quarter, and I will not be touching these upper areas as I believe these profiles just need to clean out. But if we are able to get to the highs of balance, we should be able to tag this FOMC spike base. Getting back to the full Globex session to the downside, if we do fail to break out, come back inside this high volume node, what I expect is that we revert back to last week's POC, as well as the trailing 5-day POC, last week's halfback, etc. And that would be anywhere from 36.74 down to 36.52 half. So kind of this area over here. I expect this is where we'll revert to. Now, 86 has been a beautiful number for the past couple, what would it be, 6, 7 trading sessions. So I will be looking to take 86 quarter for a short on the way down to that area. And if we do accept below 36.55, what I think will happen is that we crack today's low and we get a full breakdown of the breakout attempt. So I had thought about taking longs around this 20 to 30 area. However, what I think would be smarter would be waiting for the spike base, this 3 o'clock spike base we had at 13.5, and which was a great level during the overnight. Wait for us to get below that 13.5, ride it for a short, wait for us to get below the Q2 low and this and that, and take the 87.5 area for a short as well. 87 being the September high from 2020, as well as a gap close and quite a pivoty area during October and November of that year. So in summary, this video is getting a little bit long at 4 minutes. What I'm looking for is, can we break out above the high volume at 09 half? If so, I want to take 44 quarter, 03 quarter long. I'm not interested in trading above there. If we do not accept above 09 half, what I want to see is a migration back into volume. So 69 for yesterday, the weekly pocket 52 half, etc. And I will ride 86 quarter short on the way down, wait for us to get below the weekly POC, and ride 55 short, and again waiting for 13 half and 87 half. Hope that makes sense. Not a ton of trades in this, whatever it is, 3,800 to 3,587 range. That's a 220-ish point range. Not a ton of trades, but I do think these will be quality setups. Hope that helps. If there are any adjustments to Twitter, to the levels, they will be posted to Twitter, usually by a tick or two. But other than that, these should be pretty solid. Have a good day and trade safe.